Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel. Want to know how to make a Gmail account? Let's see. Open Gmail. Tap on Add another account. Tap on Google. Wait for loading. Now select Create Account. Enter your information. Date of birth. Now select your Gmail address. Or type manually. Then use a password for your account. Tap Yes I am in. Tap Next. Tap I agree. Now wait. See our Gmail account is Now we see how to add profile photo to Gmail account. Tap on Profile. Tap Add Profile Photo. Key, Reselect Photo. And tap Next. See our profile picture is saved.